Everyone is trying to figure out how they can use AI. Some are confused, some are scared, some are skeptical, some are trying to bring in the data carefully before going into the AI pond or the sea. But a few weeks back, I actually released a demo of a tool that I was building, uh, which is beyond agentic AI experience and could help sales users using Sales Cloud on top of Salesforce platform uh, with Agentforce in a different way, not the chat box or the agentic experience way. So in this demo, I'm going to give you a full demo on the teaser that I released a few weeks back on my website. So before that, I'll tell you about the business use case that we are looking at. So here is an organization which provides metals, wires, required components required in the manufacturing of ships and similar kind of marine engineering projects. So if you look at the price books, I have some 5 price books that I've configured, which are active. I have around 20 products that I've configured with product codes, product name, description, family like steel plate or chemicals or cables, kind of. Then I have this opportunity over here, which is a project discussion with a potential customer. Uh, they are expecting a quotation, and if they feel it right, they'll book the deliveries or the product ordering with us. So they have given some description. As a sales user, I have done some call records over here. These are some lazy call records right now, not fully prepared call records. In a standard scenario, we go to products, we choose the price book. Now there is always a playbook to select a price book, right? We have a playbook, internal playbook with every organization. So we select a price book. For that, for current sake, I'll use standard price book. I'll save it, and then I'll try to add products. Let's say we need aluminum alloys for this particular project. We need stainless steel plate. Maybe if they are asking navigators, we'll need navigators for that ship project. Bit of chemicals. Okay. Now I'll say next, and again I'll add the quantities. Let's say we need one. For now, I'll just put one, and then we'll have the service dates. Again, this line description and service date all again go as per the playbook that we have for our organization and industry use case, right? So I'll save it, and this is what exactly sales users stay busy at while they are using the Sales Cloud, and oftentimes it gets tedious. For example, by mistake, I actually chose a wrong price book. Let's say I want to change the price book now. So what options do I have? Do I have another, yeah, defense price book? I'll save it. What happens with that? So what happened with that is all products went off, and again I'll have to pick or search the products, and also I have to, as a sales user, I have to do multiple tasks over here. One, I'm dealing with the Salesforce user experience. Other is I'm thinking of the customer requirements. I'm hopping between various user experience elements like the call logs or any notes that I've taken or another details on the opportunity part. And this becomes then a tedious process and sometimes delays or affects the quality of sales experience on both ends, the organization end and the customer ends. So I have this new AI embedded product that I've built. I'm actually building it in 1 or 2 weeks. The beta version of this package would be ready. So let's see how it works. First, I'll just refresh it and make sure I have no products in here. Yeah, so I don't have any products. I'll click on this manage products button. So this is the screen. We don't have any line items here as of yet. We are just on the standard price book. And in the manual way, we can do like, we can search a product from the standard price book. We can add the price book line items from the price book. We can add the date and description, just as we saw in the standard experience, right? So that is one thing that we can do with this, but I'll go with some other way for now, and which is I'll click this AI assist button. It will gather all the recent interactions and data that we have embedded into it, and it will give us a cart kind of experience, automated cart kind of experience based on the playbook that we have defined. It has picked the two products, the quantity, the list price. It has picked a price book for us based on the price book selection criteria that we have defined, or some base judgments that it have put on its own as an AI, and we can just save it on 2 clicks. So we clicked AI assist and we clicked save changes, and we have now the products created into that. Now, what if I want to change the price book? I'll click a different price book, and if these products are there in the new price book, the price book will be changed. Product and other details would be as it is. Compared to the standard flow, we will not see any deletions until and unless the new price book selected that we have selected has no line item that we have added over here. That would get removed, which is obvious. So we'll save the changes and let's look at this. So nothing has, so we have reduced the clicks for now, but I'm not happy with some of the details over here shown over here. So I'll click dumb AI, and now it's giving me some details. It hasn't changed any line items over here since we have already saved the line items ourselves. Now it will just assist us with the other parts. So let's say review the current line items to ensure project requirements and specifications. Confirm the delivery schedules with the customer. So we have a delivery schedule that we have defined over here. See if it's going according to their plans, and some things of that are of that kind. So but so I also want to add items manually now, so I can do that. Yes. And let's say I haven't added the service dates, and let's say I'll save it, and now I'll try AI assist. Let's say what it gives back. So focus on securing the order by addressing remaining concerns. Consider follow-up for additional requirements. So it can guess that some requirements are missing on the opportunity. We need to ensure that the requirements are in, and ensure all details are aligned with the project schedule and customer expectation of timely delivery. We also have a subtotal based on these details. Let's say we make it 2. We'll save it, and let's try dumb AI this time, and it says 1684. Is it right? Yeah, it's right. So other details it has given us. Again, I'll try dumb AI. Now it has given something different. Yeah, provide a detailed code, ensure the line items, review and finalize the delivery schedule. So it seems that delivery schedules are empty. So review and finalize them, and confirm the material specifications and quantities. So we don't have any quantity details from the customer, because of which it's saying that this particular quantities needs to be finalized, and we can just save it as it is, and we can again check. We can again change the ordering of the line items. Maybe put this on the first, 3 and 4, and I'll save it. I'll just confirm. So as you can see over here, what's happening with this component is we are not focused much more on the uh, data entry and data management side. The sales guys can focus on the sales and the customer expectations more, Even if you see, I'll take another opportunity for this, and I have here some data that is already filled with some more details compared to the limited one with this. I'll go try to refresh this. Yeah, I'll close this. And now I'll go to the new one that I was discussing. If you see on this one, I had very little details, but if you see on this one, I have some more details. I have some timelines. I have some detailed item requirements like paints and coatings and marine top coats for protection, etc. What I'll do is I'll try this one. I'll go to manage products, and instead of AI assist, this time let's try dumb AI directly. Yeah, so it has filled in some quantities based on the project requirement, uh, some items. Now we can see that we need a navigator. Let's see, navigator was mentioned over here or not. Yes, there were some navigation requirements, a radar, autopilot system, and radio was also required. So we have a VHF radio, radar system, and based on the playbook that I have defined in the backend, we are also getting quantities. Now, since this is not saved yet, we also have a proper timeline that is defined. If you see the dates over here, we also have a different timeline. Now, the magic over here is we haven't saved this particular order line item setup right now. I can again say you are a dumb AI, and I can try to create new line items for my opportunity on a single click. I'm not hopping between screens, not hopping between data. I have the data that I have fed after doing the calls with the customer. I just want different versions of it. So this is a different version that I can see. Now here I have some list price 0. Let's see if it actually has some list price 0. Yes, so it has list price 0. We can make sure that we have something in this, but let's say we try to save it. We have saved these line items, and now I'll try to run AI assistant, and let's see if it says anything related to the data. Okay, it's not looking good, so let's try dummy AI. Yeah, so prepare a detailed quotation, schedule a follow-up, consult with engineering team to ensure material compliance, ensure phase material deliveries are planned 6 to 8 months. Okay, and then we have uh, a subtotal, let's say 2500, 250 would be that, and around this. Yes, so subtotal is around almost right one, but if you look at this, the dates are changed. So the earlier one, with the earlier version we had right dates, right? So that's the thing. So why this button is named dumb AI is because AI will try to help you, but it's not the case that in every possible data scenario you will get the exact correct output. In that case, you, the sales champions of the organization, is where you come in and you make the difference, as every one of us has that potential to make a difference. So this is something that I've built. I'm building actually. I'm still trying to optimize these things, and we also have an search and add product screen where we can see the display, we can see the details. But this would be like the beta version of this would be ready in like say 1 or 2 weeks. I'm looking for some early adopters who are interested in trying this with their own organization, whatever be the your organization type. It's not just about marine engineering, it's AI basically. So uh, while uploading this video on YouTube, I'll give some details in description how to reach me out and what details can you fill in. Um, if I see that the current version can best match to your requirements, I'll try to contact you, and maybe then we can install it in your sandbox with your product data. So let's see. I mean, I'm more interested to see how people use this product in their sales cycle, and if sales users really find this life changing for them. I'd be much happy to see some smiles on sales users' faces. Okay, with that, that's the end of this demo. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.